Let's read some random words to help you with pronouncing Croatian specific letters. So let's start with vjetar. Easy one, vjetar. JE applies that E needs to be short. So it's not vjetar, it's vjetar. Very short English E, Croatian E. Okay? Šećer. Šećer. So sound sh is like English sh sound, like washing, sh. And ch is like English ch sound in word chat, šećer. Mlijeko. Mlijeko. Whenever you have IJE sound, IE. Now the trick here is to skip I and pronounce Croatian E just a slightly longer. So mlijeko. Mlijeko. It's not mlijeko, it's mlijeko. Skipping I and making English E a bit longer. Mlijeko. Životinja. Whenever you have a long word that you're not comfortable with, feel free to split it in syllables. Životinja. 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 So this sound is nj. I mean, this letters is nj. Even though it does look like two letters, this is one letter, one sound, nj, like in English word, new. Okay? Ponedjeljak. 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 Ljak. Ponedjeljak. Lj sound, the letter lj is like an English word brilliant. Lj. Lišće. 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 Srijeda. Srijeda. Skipping Croatian E and making a bit longer. Srijeda. Konj. Konj. Mreža. Ž. Mreža. Ž, like in English word vision or pleasure. Ž. Četvrtak. 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 I know it's a bit difficult to pronounce. It's tongue twister. Tvrt. Tvrt. Četvrtak. Tuš. Š. Tuš. Dječak. Dječak. Č. So, like we said before, whenever we have je, je, it applies that e is really short. Dječak. It's not dječak, it's dječak. Okay? Sneg, sneg. Again, we have that IJE thing, skipping I and just making E a bit longer. Sneg. Groźdże. Ż like in vision and J like George. Groźdże. Okay. Kamenčić. Kamenčić. So we have two, basically the same letter, the same sound. This one should be a softer version of this one. So ch, ch. However, you know, in daily conversation, in everyday Croatian, we don't really make this difference between these two. So we pronounce it, it's the same ch basically. Kamenčić. No difference. Tržnica. 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 Careful about c. So c is always c. It never changes like in English to k, to sound k. It's always c like in pizza, c. Pizza. Tržnica. Zanimljiv. Zanimljiv. Slastičarnica. 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 Škare. Škare. Kraljica. Kraljica. Again, we have that l sound like in English word. Brilliant. Kraljica. And c like in pizza. Kraljica. Snjegović. Snjegović. We have nj sound like in English word. Nju, nj, and j is nj. Snjegović. Perfect. Let's do just a couple more. For example, lješnjak. Lješnjak. Lj like in brilliant, sh like washing, and nj like new. Lješnjak. 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 Again, IJE. Lijek. So it's not lijek, it's lijek. Skipping Croatian E and making a bit longer. Lijek. Okay, let's do one more. Hrvatska. I know it's easier to pronounce Hrvatska, putting the emphasis on A, but the way we pronounce this is actually putting the emphasis on that strong rolling R, R, R. Hrvatska. Hrvatska. There you go. I hope this was helpful.